Hey guys, Nagy here from Emmett Leo Homes, and we are on site at one of our builds. And what I wanted to show you was how exactly we plop homes in between two others. Right now we're looking at a home. It's a 3,000 square foot bungalow, and you can see there's a house right behind me and there's another house over here. So what used to happen is these were smaller lots and smaller homes that were built off of the property line. But when you're building a bigger home in an older neighborhood, you're going to be pretty close to other homes, especially when you're building the max amount in the lot space. So here you can see we are digging. I'll try to get a better perspective here so that you can understand, but we'll give a little walk around here and I'll explain exactly what we're doing and how we do it. All right, so here we are down in the hole, and what I wanted to give you was a better perspective of exactly what this stuff is. So when you're digging so close to other homes, you can probably see it right behind me, and so far down, you have a risk of the ground giving way and falling into the hole. Now, it's not so much dangerous for, we got a wasp that wants to be part of this. It's not so dangerous for inside the hole as much as the dirt or soil coming away from that other house, exposing it, possibly moving it. So we really don't want any risk of damaging that other property or that one over there. So we're gonna do that on the other side, on the other side. And what these are is, you can see, this is called shoring or sheet piles. So these are made out of steel and they're 16 feet long. And what we do is we take the excavator and we pound these in from the top. So you pound them in. These are about 7 to 8 feet into the ground, and they're retaining this deep cut from falling in to our hole. So it's a lot of preventative measures, and you can see just how big this whole home is gonna be. It's gonna be a massive basement. The thing about bungalows is when you dig out that square footage, the basement is just as big as the top. Really big, and we're about 3/4 of the way done. We're gonna be digging all that out, and we're gonna put some shoring right up against that garage over there. And then we can start our piles. And our piles would be, we're digging into the ground, we're pouring concrete 25 to 30 feet down, and then we can build our foundation on top of that. So if you've never seen shoring up close, this is what it looks like. And that's how we fit big homes very close to other homes without risking any damage.